the contemporary garden, where simplicity meets sophistication. Contemporary gardens focus on clean lines, functional spaces, and a minimalist approach that's both stylish and low maintenance. These gardens emphasize simplicity and structure. Think geometric shapes, open spaces, and a clear selection of plants. Instead of filling every corner, contemporary gardens leave plenty of room to breathe, creating a calm, open atmosphere. Plant choices are focused and purposeful. Architectural plants like grasses, bamboo, and evergreen shrubs are common, creating strong shapes and textures. This style uses fewer plant types, making it easier to care for while still looking fresh year-round. Materials play a big role in contemporary gardens. Concrete, gravel, wood, and metal add contrast and structure, and simple water features like a reflecting pool or minimalist fountain bring movement and tranquility to the space. Lighting is subtle yet striking, with spotlights in or in-ground lights to highlight pathways and plants. These touches add dimensions at night, keeping the garden sleek and inviting. Contemporary gardens are perfect for creating a relaxing, functional outdoor space. They're designed to be an extension of your home. Simple, beautiful, and eco-friendly. How do you create a contemporary garden? Use raised beds or planters for a modern look. Choose plants with bold architectural foliage like yuccas and agaves. Incorporate modern materials like metal or concrete. If you're looking for style without all the upkeep, a contemporary garden might just be what you need.